Here I am, sunny Skelton, just about to set off, park the beast up, leaving it there for the day, and I'm just about to start heading off to where I finished the other day. Weather is class. I will try and get as much video as I can. Got the drone as well, so yeah, should be plenty of good footage today. See you in a minute. Right, so the other day when I finished, I came down from that road there, and I finished just in that bus stop. I collapsed in there, but unlike my 1990s bus stop at Debbers, there was no cider involved, so I'll just wait to get picked up, cross the road, and you head down here into the actual village of Skelton. This is actually called Skelton Green, so we're going to head down this path into Skelton. By all accounts, it's quite difficult to navigate through Skelton now, the Cleveland Way, so I'll try and do my best to show you how to get through. Just on the little path between Skelton Green and Skelton down there. Oh, this little thing, don't know what it is. Some sort of little walled area. Lovely. I'm easily impressed. Let's head this way. So as predicted, there's the Cleveland Way route is actually blocked off because they're building a new housing estate over there. This fella came out, lovely fella, he says you can't go through here, they blocked it off, and he's just walked me down here and showed me a little cut. So you go across this skill field, you stick to it's like you'll see a pond when you get down there, and you just go to the right and that picks up the Cleveland Way again. So I mean, he might be lying, I might end up sort of dead if you don't hear from me again. The video ends here, you know I've been mugged or something like that, but we'll see. Here we go. So I've just come past that school field, down to the bottom corner there's like a metal container. Keep going down, you'll see a little cut through. You'll find this, I wasn't expecting this. Like a pond with some, you know, ducks and that, if you're into that sort of thing. I'm gonna go and say hello now. Yeah, lovely this. I mean, I might be a million miles away from the Cleveland Way, but still decent. I love a little detour. Right, once you come out with the pond area, I'm going to come to a road, Stonedale, and I believe we head down there. Right, they bought that mission. That doesn't go anywhere. So I'm going to head up to the main road, turn right, and then turn left about 150 metres down there. Right, so that's the main road down there that I've just come out at. There's a little gate here, jump over the gate, and over there where them people are, that's where the Cleveland Way picks back up. Right, back on it. A little bit of a detour, poorly signposted. Come on, sort yourselves out, Skelton, sort yourselves out, national trails, not good enough. Anyhow, found the way back, and hopefully no more detours. Right. Right, so we're coming through the woods. We're just starting to get our first glimpse of the viaduct. Look at that. Immense. I've never been down here before. I've wanted to come down here for years. In fact, I did try and find it once about 15 years ago. And again, it was unsuccessful. So here we are. Look at this. Might have to get the drone out if there's a clearing. Fantastic. Just on the bridge, and that's looking back up to the dam. Right, it's quite windy, as you can probably hear. Just a quick update. We've come through Valley Gardens, down the hill, back up. We're leaving Skelton now. Skelton Green is about 3 miles this way, 3.5 miles. Yeah, this is on the coastal section. I've been looking forward to this bit. A little tale about when I was about 17, I went on a date with a girl. We came to it with Saltburn, her idea. And she was desperate to take me up here. And I was thinking, yeah, she wanted to kick us off. Anyhow, I hated it at the time, I was only 17. I ended up dumping her just because she made me go and sit on a cliff. Do you know she was ahead of her time? Look at that. Fell off now. There, so to carry these slides up with messages on. That was really poignant. Just over the sea. Beautiful spot. It's really sad that some people feel the need that. Well done, Paul. Okay, we'll stay in there. Right, just stopped for 5 minutes in Skelton Grove. This place gets a bit of a bad press, but it's not as bad as people make out. It's canny. People here are decent. Yeah, so we're just about, I say we're, singular, heading up there. Right, just a little update. Still walking along this coastal path, just past Bowlby. I think next we drop down into Longcliffe, I think. I'm not too sure. I don't care because I'm on it. Look at the sea. Alright, hopefully it's not too windy. We're about a mile from Staithes. As you can see, just over there. You probably see this on all the videos. Take a little seat. Have 10 minutes here. Read all of this history of the Bowlby potash mines. Alright, mate. Right, we're in Staithes. First time I've ever been here. Amazing. Really quaint. Time to find some food. little bit blustery up here. That could be my breath because I've just come up out of Staithes. What a great place that was. I had food there in a place called the Cod and Lobster. Really reasonable price as well. I got a pint of Coke, chips, gravy and a bread bun for £4.25, man. You can't grumble with that. Don't know why I've never been to Staithes before. Really nice, really pretty. I'll definitely go back. Next stop, Port Mulgrave, and then it's windy. Then Runswick Bay, and I'm finishing. Cleveland Way is a great place to make new friends. I've got one here. We've just been chatting. Hi mate. Roger, they call him. Hey Roger. You alright mate? Why aren't you running away? Right, I'm mortified. I've got to tell you a little story. I was just coming down into Port Mulgrave there. There's a family heading towards me, bloke, missus, a couple of kids. In my head I'm thinking, what can I say? I'm going to say now then, because I've said how to, and I've said alright mate loads of times today. So now then, I've locked it in, that's what I'm saying. As I get to him, hey buddy, alright? Yeah, as I get to him, he says, now then. This has confused us, because that was my saying. So I've said, now then, twice. However, I've said it like Jimmy Savile. I've kind of went, now then. I've no idea why. It'll forever remain a mystery. So, there's a family now in Port Mulgrave on the lookout for a bald Jimmy Savile impersonator. I'm absolutely mortified. Now then. Jason, man. Right, this is Runswick Bay. What a great place to end this day. I think I've probably done about 20 miles maybe. With all my little detours. Yeah, I've had a great day. Highlight being Staithes and then finishing here.